What's up guys, as you're doing, welcome back to another weekly forecast to get you ready for this week, right? So starting from Usdjpy, from the monthly time frame, you can see the price is very bullish, but the last few months was like bearish, right? The January candle and you see this February candle, so is bullish, right? So we need to see price like form a strong swing low before we expect a bullish move to create a new swing line, right? So I'm saying should expect some when price create this low, we should expect price to break this high, forming a swing high, right? A new swing line, right? So but seems like price have something to mitigate below. That's why we see this bullish this bearish like move, right? So expect price to like tap this monthly demand zone, right? We expect price to tap this monthly demand zone, so something like this before like the continuation of the bullish moves, right? Going down to the weekly time frame, you can see the weekly is bullish, right? The weekly is bullish, but you will see clearly we have this imbalance here, imbalance plus this demand zone. If you can see this imbalance, let me change the color to blue, right? You can see price, right? And see price pull back to clear this low, tap this imbalance and continue the bullish move to create a new swing line, as this should be our potential target. This should be our potential target, right? So let's look at the daily time frame also. You can see from the daily time frame, right? From the daily time frame, price have been creating this bearish order flow already. Price have been creating this bearish order flow. So one price like to sweep this low and tap this weekly imbalance, and demand zone before we see any bullish order flow for price to continue to clear this our high as our potential target, right? So this all for Usdjpy, right? This all for Usdjpy. I'm still expecting like a bearish week this week, right? A bearish week for price to trade and clear this low, right? But then you might see price still expect this demand zone. I see price respect this demand zone also. Price have already tapped it, so we see this rejection, so we can see something like this also. First scenario, we can see price start building up bullish order flow, or we see price break this demand zone, right? Break this demand zone and tap this our POI and start seeing a bullish order flow to clear our potential target, right? So that's all for Usdjpy. GBPUSD, the monthly time frame. You see price still expecting this our zone, right? Price still expecting this our key level. You can see this month, we can see build up of this bullish candle, right? Let's go down to the weekly time frame. The weekly is very bullish also. The weekly have started building bullish order flow, because if you see price create a high, then a new low, and you can see a new high, so you should expect price to like continue the bullish move to clear this previous high, right? This previous weekly high, right? So for GBPUSD, you should expect price to sweep this high, right? This should be our potential target for GBPUSD. So from the daily time frame, from the daily time frame, you can see our key levels that we expect price to. We should expect price to pull back and tap this our key level, something like this, and continue the bullish move to clear this potential target. But looking at this, there are also a supply zone that price might respect, right? For example, this zone might see price respect from this zone, right? So might see something like this, price tap here and start building up this and tap this zone before we see the bullish order flow that might clear this potential target, right? So moving down to the 4-hour time frame on GBPUSD, you can see clearly the movement, the bullish move of price, right? This week you might see a continuation, right, to tap this zone before like pull back and start building bullish order flow. This is our key levels that price might respect. Price might respect here, and we might start seeing like the bearish move. Tap this our key level. This zone are the zone that like you should pay attention on price, right? Pay attention on price. See something like this, or you see price tap this and then pull back to tap this our key level. We tap this our key level. So this all for GBPUSD also. Like you see, I'm very bullish on GBPUSD. I expect more bullish moves on GU to clear this our potential target above, right? For price to clear this potential target. So that's all for GU. You can see on EURUSD, the monthly time frame, you can see price break out from this range, right? Price break out from this range, and you see you have something like this with test of this zone. You might see price like reject from this support tone resistance zone. You might see price reject from it, right? So let's move down to the weekly time frame to see it clear. Okay, on the weekly time frame, also price is respecting this zone right here. See price respecting this zone right here. So, and we have something like this here, price protecting this low, right? Price is being protecting this low. So after this clear of the range, we already have the test of the zone. We see price like respecting this low, protecting this low. So we might see something like this before like the continuation of the bearish move. We might see price pull back and tap this supply zone before the maybe start building off the bearish move, right? Let me mark my supply zone. I see price to tap this supply zone, right? So but also we can see price reject from this zone, this our support tone resistance zone. We might see price like break, so I respect this zone, like start building of the bearish continuation move, right? So I think this is all for EURUSD also, and you guys have a profitable week, right? So that's all for today. See you in the next one.